Hey there, happy Friday. Thanks for clicking. Now, in today's video, hear from students about the big changes coming to our CTE program. And we're also giving you a first look at impressive upgrades at the Barbara Jordan Career Center. Plus, students gearing up for a big run this weekend, and we're also having a school choice fair this weekend as well. And HISD is hiring. The details on our next hiring event are coming up in just a bit. But let's go ahead and do this. It is January 9th, 2026. This week on HISD Now, we've been sharing the big news about career and technical education. Now, we're talking new career clusters, new programs, and major upgrades. Take a look here. So last night, we wrapped our CTE community meetings at North Forest, Northside, Sam Houston, and Wheatley High Schools. Families and community members heard from district leaders and learned more about what's to come. And today, we're hearing directly from students. Our cameras visited the Barbara Jordan Career Center, our centralized CTE hub, for an up-close look at the changes. Now, right now, it's getting a major upgrade with state-of-the-art equipment, modern classrooms, and hands-on workspaces built to reflect real-world industry settings, like this brand-new, now-complete automotive garage. This upgrade and the new state-of-the-art welding facility were completed over the winter break and are now open to students. These spaces are among the several upgrades and expansions coming to the center, and they're all designed to give students experiences that gets them ready for high-demand, high-wage jobs and certifications that are aligned with the future workforce.
Yeah, so it's a short trip, Booker T to here, and so we just wait, do a little short work, just preparing ourselves every morning. So we do a small checkup, make sure we know general knowledge, and then we dress up and get started on whatever project our teacher has us doing. Honestly, I'm really glad it's becoming a more available program, because when I started, it was only for sophomores for the last 2 years of high school. But I am really glad that new students and younger students can be able to have a much longer career here. They're gonna get to learn way more than I did and have a much better fundamental standing for their career.
Throughout my 2 years at culinary, I earned my Safe Serve Manager certification and a whole bunch of skills that I still use to this day, like organization, my time management, and my leadership especially.
My love for culinary has grown so much to the point where I am pursuing my career into that. I'm going to John and Wells University to pursue culinary arts and beverage management.
And tomorrow is our school choice fair, where you can explore all of our campuses and programming, including CTE. District leaders will be on hand to answer any questions about our schools and other programs like GT, IB, our Montessori schools, and much more. Now, if you can't make it to this fair, you've got 2 more chances, once in February and another in April. The full schedule and other school choice resources are online at schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. And if you're a teacher looking to make a difference and you're ready to join the amazing transformation happening right here in HISD, come see us. Now, we're having a teacher hiring event next week on Thursday, January 15th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Wharton Dual Language Academy. Now, at this event, you can meet with principals, hiring managers, and qualified candidates will even get an interview on the spot. But you need to register for this event. A link to do that is in the description of this video right below. Well, check this out. Today, Piney Point Elementary's own coach Nora Ryan took the spotlight as a featured speaker at the Chevron Houston Marathon Luncheon in downtown Houston. Coach Ryan is one of the dedicated mentors behind the school's running club known as the Trackers. 35 students will participate in the We Run Houston 5K on Saturday, thanks to a sponsorship from the Houston Marathon Foundation. Coach Ryan says she's passionate about teaching the importance of lifelong exercise, and she encourages students to build healthier habits that last well beyond their school years.
So kids will be getting this tomorrow, and they will wear it to school on a daily basis with pride. Wow. And they will have their shoes on, and they will tell their friends all the amazing experiences that they got to live while they were here in downtown.
I believe this weekend we have about 15 schools that are participating, approximately maybe about 150, 200 students that'll be running tomorrow, bright and early.
Coach Ryan has been leading and inspiring student runners for the past 13 years, and her impact continues to ripple through the Piney Point community. We're wishing the very best to all HISD students, staff, teachers, parents, and families taking part in the marathon this weekend. Best of luck to everyone. Well, next week, Campus Close-Up is back. If you're new here, each week we select an elementary, middle, or high school to highlight across our social media channels. And we're taking you inside these schools and talking to school administrators, teachers, students, and parents about all the great things happening in their school communities. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because next week we're heading to Kashmere High School, home of the Fighting Rams in Houston's northeast side. And take a look at this, some important information for any families needing assistance. Our Sunrise Center at Morefield is now offering a food market where families can access fresh and essential food items. These are photos from a food distribution from earlier today. Now remember, at our Sunrise Centers, families can get help with food, clothing, medical care, and more. To learn more, go to HoustonISD.org and click on the Families and Students tab, and then click on Sunrise Centers. Before we go, 2 things for our families. First up, parents and families, please remember to check your Parent Square today for a chance to share your input on next year's academic calendar. Now, 2 calendar options have been sent to you to review, choose from, and provide feedback on. We truly appreciate you taking the time to do this for us. And a big thank you to our HISD police officers. Today is National Law Enforcement Appreciation Day. And we just wanted to take a moment to thank our officers for their dedication and the hard work they do each and every day to ensure the safety of our students, staff, and families. Thank you for everything that you do. We hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this content, and we'll see you right back here on Monday.